This is Riley. He is a 12-year-old Russian blue cat, and this is his sacred morning routine. Every morning, he sits proudly on the arm of the sofa, patiently waiting for his dad to give him pets. Because Riley is 100% Daddy's boy. He follows his dad everywhere like a tiny gray shadow, proving their special bond, even though it was actually his mom who adopted him from the shelter. As for Mom, she's just the spare human. Riley only remembers she exists when it's mealtime. We're still waiting to see if this arrangement will ever change. But let's be honest, it probably won't.